day, mga katoto.
Before we move on to our next part, but before that, kanina nga you mentioned na parang this is like a sequel to Tama Na. So, kwento mo naman about the process behind this song and what it's about.
So, I really wanted to just write to a different kind of beat. Kasi usually the songs I write, urban pop or just pop in general, mga ballads with belting. So this one was a lot more laid back. I tried to not belt so much. Kasi isa yun sa mga comments na nakukuha ko lagi yung parang ang hirap sabayin ng mga kanta ni Darren minsan. Alam mo yung parang pag nasa bridge na, laging may birit na, gano'n. So, in this one, mas chill siya talaga. Hindi siya masyado sa belting. It's more of just storytelling and just being in the moment of asking the universe hanggang kailan ako maghihintay. So, that was basically the concept of the song. And at the time nga, kaka-release lang ng Tama Na, which was back in 2021 as well. So that's when I wrote this song. So after mong sabihin yung Tama Na, parang ano nang susunod? Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay for the right person where I don't have to say Tama Na. Knocks.
Grabe na mga questions sa universe.
So ayun.
Oo, pero feel naman natin siya, diba? Sometimes we ask those questions naman talaga sa universe. And gusto ko ikaw yung nag-adjust sa ano. Parang mas chill na nga yung parang kanta.
Parang hindi na, parang may sabayan daw sila. Sabi na, sana gumawa si Darren ng kantang masasabayan namin. So ito na po yun. Sana.
I love it. Very considerate naman ang isang Darren Ismato. But where can everybody listen to it? You want to invite everybody to stream?
Yes, of course. My newest single, Hanggang Kailan, is out now on all digital streaming platforms including Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, and YouTube Music as well. So sana po ipakinggan po naman.
Yes, so if you need a sign to stream it, ito na po yun.
Yes.
Galing na po kay Darren.
Opo. Yun na siya.
I love it. But of course, we're here to celebrate your 10-year anniversary. Grabe, 10 years.
Yes.
Has it sunk in for you na 10 years na?
It has, like, at the same, I feel like it's been such a long time since The Voice Kids, but at the same time, it feels like it's been such a quick journey as well. But then when I look back on everything I've done, yung parang grabe, ang dami nang nangyari sa buhay ko, sa career ko, and I'm just very grateful for everything that's happened in the past 10 years. Yes.
Yeah, and I'm sure in those 10 years nga, sabi mo, ang dami mong pinagdaanan. And at the same time, you've met so many people, your own musical inspirations, and people who have really stuck by you in those 10 years.
Yes.
So, syempre, since we are celebrating you, may pasabog kami for you.
Wait lang, before that, pwede po ba humingi ng tissue?
Of course! Syempre naman.
Hindi ko na kaya, hindi na kinaya nung pa-blazer ko. Sino ka nagsabi kasi magpaka-Stephen Tanoy ko sa ganito?
Grabe, nga. Very Stephen nga ang looks natin for this.
Pati sa sando. Ayun.
Hay mo yan.
Sorry, go lang.
Go lang. So, of course, syempre, alam naman natin guys, no, medyo mainit. But it's okay. We're all here for Darren. But yun nga, may konting surprise kami for you.
Wow!
With messages coming from people who have stuck by you. What? Ready ka na ba umiyak? Sakto yung tissue mo!
Umiyak talaga, okay.
Galing! So, let's watch this!
Hi Darren!
Wow!
Anniversary ko na. First time together. Nakapo tayo ng music video pare. And of course, palagi kang mag-iingat. And more power siya. Kaya-kaya mo lahat yan. Napaka-talented ng tao. And nandito lang kami para supportahan ka palagi.
Hi Darren! Bago pa man tayo maging si Stephen at Aileen, magkakaibigan na tayo. And thankful ako na nakilala kita. Thankful din ako na na-witness ko yung talent mo at yung growth mo. Sobrang mahal kita. And thank you then for getting me and Anthony para sa music video mo na iyo. Talaga, ikaw lang talaga magpapagawa sa akin. Sobrang mahal kita and sobrang sorry hindi ako makapunta sa concert mo dahil nasa Japan ko. Pero wishing you the best. And sana ma-enjoy mo ng sobra yung concert mo. I know you're gonna kill it. And sobrang deserve mo lahat ng blessings na dumadating sa you're such a very talented person. Mahal kita, Darren!
Hi Darren! Nako, papalapit na ang iyong celebration ng iyong 10th anniversary. Alam mo, people coming to the showbiz, napakaraming dumarating ng mga singers and artists sa industriyang ito, pero iilan lang yung nakakaabot ng 10 years and you're one of them. Alam kong simula pa lang ito ng mas magaganda pang mangyayari sa career mo, kaya always keep your feet on the ground. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung professionalism mo, pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabuting tao, at yung excellence mo as an artist, you're one of a kind. You know what? I am so excited to perform with you on June 1 sa Araneta Coliseum. I know it will be a huge success. And alam ko, sigurado ako na maraming mga fans mo ang susuportahan ka at mararamdaman mo ang pagmamahal nila sa araw na yan. Kaya naman, congratulations, God bless you, and nandito lang kaming lahat para sa iyo, para sa suportahan.
Hey Darren, Tito Ogie here. I just want to greet you. Congratulations on your 10th year as a performer here in our beloved business. Congratulations this 100th mo. In 10 years, you have accomplished so much, and I'm very, very proud of you. You are one of those guys I see so much potential to be. That's just a huge superstar in the Philippines. If not, you are already. But there's more to be done. And I know that you are hungry for that. So keep the hunger going. Keep your sense of humor going. Keep that wonderful heart of yours beating all the time. Because I think it's your best asset. Mahal ka namin, B, and God bless you.
Hi, congratulations to you. Naka 10 years ka na, deserve. At feeling ko naman, sure ako na mahabang-mahaba pa ilalakbay mo sa showbiz dahil ang dami mo naman kayang gawin. Sobrang talented mo. Kaya good luck sa mga ganap mo in the future. Alam ko maraming assignments na mabibigay sa'yo. Yun din ang problema kung masyadong bibo, kaya masyadong ipakita lahat. And sa concert mo, congratulations din. And ano pa ba? Yun lang, congratulations. Galing mo eh.
Wow!
Grabe!
Maraming salamat. Ang haba ng messages nila, hindi ko i-expect. Parang birthday ko na. Oo.
Malapit na ang birthday mo!
Yes, May 24.
Oh my gosh! Double celebration tayo here tonight! An advanced birthday and for the concert. But how did it feel, you know? These are people that you worked with, looked up to as well, and to hear them say so many kind words to you, how does it feel?
Of course, to Anthony and Maurice, hindi ko talaga in-expect na mas magiging close kami because of Can't Buy Me Love as well. Because I've known both of them before Can't Buy Me Love, nung nanggaling sila sa PBB, and then getting the chance to work with them just made our bond stronger as well. And I'm just so happy for all the achievements that they're getting right now as well. And ayun, parang nakakatuwa kasi yun nga, pumayag silang gawin yung music video for Iyo. Tapos parang doon nagkaroon ng unang glimpse yung mga fans ng Snoring sa what could happen in the future for them. And ayun, maraming salamat both Maurice and Anthony. You guys are one of the people that I can always trust and just hang out with, always just chill with. And of course, to Kuya Eric, Tito Ogie, Ate Vice, yung mga haligi sa industriya natin, yung mga icon. Maraming salamat po for all the kind words. Hindi ko nga in-expect na magiging ka-close ko sila kasi of course, you know, being a kid from Canada who just watched them on TFC, parang hindi ko in-imagine na one day may imbitahan ko na lang sila sa mga, uy, may birthday po ako, or parang sila sa bahay nila, uy, kain tayo, mga ganun yung parang, what's happening? Pero yun nga po, nakakataba ng puso that I have people like them who are there to guide me and also give me tips, and also just people I can rant to or just share my thoughts to. Ayun po, people I can trust as well. So they're just a few of those people, and ayun, maraming salamat for the video greetings. Thank you po.
Grabe. Parang birthday mo nga, no? Which is nice. We don't share the love especially when your birthday is coming up very soon. And yun nga, sabi ni Kuya Eric Santos na, you know, a lot of artists come and go through the years, and only a few people get to experience 10 years in the industry. And how lucky are we that we get to witness your 10 years in the industry, but also as part of your career. You're part of Star Music as well. So how does it feel to be part of the Star Music family, and what does that mean for your music?
Yeah, I've done so many collaborations with Star Music before. I officially became part of the family, and ayun nga po, I'm just so happy kasi right now I'm releasing so many songs that I've personally written, and all our ideas for both the promo and the production, very collaborative with the whole team. So ayun po, I'm just really happy to be part of the Star Music family. And grabe yung support nila dito, lalo na sa D10, like hindi ko po talaga in-expect. So maraming salamat to Star Music. And yun nga po, I'm just looking forward to all the projects we have together in the future as well. Thank you.
All of us then, we're very excited and some of you.